My name is Montrell. I'm 18 and I'm in carpentry. I found Job Corps around 17. At the time, I was going through a lot. I was in and out the streets, getting caught up in the wrong things and involving myself with the wrong crowd, which caused me to go astray. So I came to Job Corps and it really changed my thought process and changed me as a whole. Because I know before I came, my mind wasn't even in the right place. But when I started staying in Job Corps, I started getting used to it, and then on top of that, I started growing more into a man. If I were to tell someone who's doubtful about Job Corps to come to Job Corps, I would say give it a try because it molded me and allowed me to evolve into more of a man. What Job Corps has done for me, it made me think about my decisions better. It made me wiser. It made me elevate to a higher level. Job Corps has really changed my life. I can't see that. It really did. And I'm very thankful that I made this decision.